this is Priyadharshini, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to look into the topic, we are going to discuss the topic max flow problem under the design and analysis of algorithms course. Let's get started. So what is maximum flow algorithm? So before going deep into the maximum flow algorithm, first we have to know three basic things. So the first thing is about the sink node, the second one is about the capacity, and the third one is about the source. So as we all know, source, so node with the net outflow, so this will be the protection point. Capacity, the capacity represents the maximum flow on an edge. Sink node, or we can also call it as the destination node, so node with net inflow, the consumption point. So these are the three basic things to be known. So let us see with an example. So here D would be D is acting as the source node. So it goes from D, it goes to the sink node or the destination node. Yes. So to find the thing, there are to find the maximum flow of a problem, there are three methods, so three fundamental concepts. So first one is flow cancellation, second one is augmentation flow, and the third one is the residual network. So flow cancellation, compute the net flow between a pair of nodes. So the network A to B is having two edges 14 and 6. So when you consider 14 and 6, flow would be 5 units, since A to B 3 units, B to A. So it is 5 bar 14 and 3 bar 6. So net flows 2 bar 14 comma 6. Additional 7 units from B to A. So we'll see the next thing, augmenting path, any path from source to sink with positive capacity. So understand clearly how the augmentation path works from D to ES. So this is the graph given. So there will be different paths available to attain the destination path. So from D to S we have D, M, B, S, or also we have D, M, K, P, S. Also we have another path D, K, P, S. So with this option we have to find the capacity. Now let's take D, M, B, S path with the capacity 8. So given a network G. Okay. So we'll see how to start with flow F on path P. So let's take the first path D, M, K, P, S. So when we take D, M, K, P, S, so the given thing is about the maximum flow in this network is 6. So if you take 6, it is 6 bar 8, 6 bar 14, 6 bar 10, 6 bar 6. So if you find the or communication flow, then the remaining residual networks will be 2, 8, 4, 0. So let's see the algorithm. So first initialize the network, that is with 0 flow. Find if any augmenting path P in the network. If yes, apply maximum flow allowed on P. Compute the residual network. Suppose if you cannot find any augmenting path, no, residual networks carries maximum flow. So now let's dwell into the topic deeply with all the steps. So step 1, so we will be assigning all the things with 0 edges. We are going to assign 0 edges. So here in the path D, M, K, P, S, I have told you previously, from source to 6 to find the positive flow, which is 6 will be the maximum thing. So write down 6 bar 8, 6 bar 14, 6 bar 10, 6 bar 6. So now update the residual network due to flow. So it will be 2, 8, 4, 0. So now remember current flow was 6. Now take the next augmentation path D, M, B, S. So if you take D, M, B, S, the maximum flow in this path D, M, B, S is only 2. So maximum flow is 2 and previously it was 6. So 6 plus 2, the residual network is 8. Remember that. So when you take 2, again it will be 2 bar 2, 2 bar 12, 2 bar 17. Update the residual network. So it will be 0, 10, 50. Now augmentation path DKMBS, that is also a path there. So when you take DKMBS, the maximum flow in this network is 10. So what we have to do? So the maximum path is 10 bar 14, 10 bar 12, 10 bar 10, 10 bar 15. Update the residual network. So it will be 4, 2, 0 and it is 0 and it will be 5. So I'll repeat 4, 2, 0 and 5. So the current total flow, already previously it was 6 plus 2, 8. Now for here in this augmentation path, we have the maximum flow to be 10. So totally in the residual network, it is 6 plus 2 plus 10, which is 18. So now the next augmentation path DKPBS, maximum flow is 4. So current flow is 6 plus 2 plus 10 plus 4. Residual network is 6 plus 2 will be 8, 18 and 4 it is 22. So this is the maximum flow for the given algorithm. There is no more augmentation path is there, since in all the things the path is blocked. So we are done with the solution. So this is about the maximum flow algorithm.